Hello guys and welcome. So if you are interested in buying a house, listen to this because I'm going to give you 5 key reasons why you shouldn't use your money to buy that property outrightly. Instead, you should leverage a mortgage to buy that property. So one of the first benefits that a mortgage gives to you when buying a house is that the bank itself does its verification. And because the bank is doing its verification, even if the document is forged, you can't deceive the bank. So leveraging a mortgage, right, to buy a house helps you take advantage of their documentation verification process, in that with them, you're more guaranteed to know that whatever property you're buying, that document is verified, whether it's CFO, deed of conveyance, or whatever it is. 2, overstretching your budget. Now, when it comes to mortgage, there's something called pre-qualification. For example, most people see a house, the house is costing 150 million, and they are so excited, and then, based on whatever it is that they are seeing in their account, they go and make that purchase. And then few months down the line or few years down the line, they start to see how making that purchase affected them. A mortgage helps you pre-qualify your income statement, because on a monthly basis, when you're paying back, whatever it is you earn on a monthly base, they will take more than 30%. Based on that math, they would find out and see that, okay, if that 50 million property or that property of 100 million you want to buy, based on your financial statement, you actually cannot afford it. So leveraging a mortgage actually helps you protect yourself financially, right, from making some silly type of purchase that you don't even know you can't afford. Ignoring professional advice. Now, a lot of times you want to buy a house, you have a friend who's a real estate agent and all of those things, you're excited, you trust the person, fine and good. And then in trusting that person, ignoring professional advice, you go and make a very, very faulty purchase. The bank would not want to give you money to buy a property that would not also give them return on investment. Worst case scenario, you're not able to meet up your payments, right? The bank will want to sell it off. So they won't want to key into any property that has no potential for return. And that's what leveraging a mortgage does for you. So that's another advantage of using mortgage versus just buying that property yourself and ignoring whatever advice, or just buying it because your friends say so. Not getting mortgage pre-approval. So before you are given mortgage, you are going to be pre-approved, pre-qualified to help you and to ensure that you are financially capable, financially ready, right, to make that big purchase. So with the pre-qualification, one, you are saying, okay, based on my income, I can only afford the property of say 80 million versus the 150 or 200 you are interested in buying, So that's what mortgage does, leveraging on the pre-approval. So it protects you from making a financial mistake in terms of buying a property you actually can't afford because you can't see it. 1, 2, property valuation. The company, we help you evaluate the property, the location and everything to be sure that this property you are buying has a very good potential to give you good return. Leveraging a mortgage helps ensure that that property you are buying, the document is verified. Nobody's cheating you, they're not going to scam you. It really saves you from a lot of headache. So these are the few reasons why you should leverage on mortgage to buy that house versus choosing to buy it outrightly. And another last key important thing is that with the mortgage, right, 70% of the value of the property, if it's 100 million, the bank will give you 70% of 100 million. So that gives you more room to make other financial investment, right? So until next time, I'm your consultant, right? So whatever house it is you want to buy, just let us know. Let's do a pre-qualification for you and see that you're mortgage ready, and then you can key into that property. So till next time, thank you.